when you invest in support experience, you're automatically improving your product experience. Products are changing and evolving at a much furious pace right now. Software is getting released every few weeks, every few months. So there will be issues in your product. You have to elevate your support experience to improve your product experience. Support becomes the brand experience for many companies. If you are a company that does product-led growth model, which means your customers try your product before they buy it, the first person they're going to contact, and often in this case, is going to be support. And if that experience is poor, your brand experience is impacted straight away. The other connection many people don't realize is that support experience impacts your employee experience. The most stressful companies are the companies that handles escalations every day and impacts the stress levels, not only your support staff, your engineering staff, your execs in the company. And people quit. They don't want to deal with that stress. So there is a statistic that shows a strong correlation between escalations and attrition. Right? So this actually is an investment in your employees as well. You want to reduce the stress levels. Everybody wants to do real fun stuff. They don't want to deal with unhappy customers all the time. So this one single investment brings benefits in multiple different departments. And overall, you're elevating your customer experience. But it doesn't stop there. What about your CFO? Your CFO cares about some very important financial metrics, rightfully so, in the era of efficient growth that we are in right now. They care about net dollar retention. They care about operating margins. They care about your lifetime value. They care about the rule of 40. Rule of 40 is a rule many CFOs use, which basically says that your growth rate and your margin, if you add them together, should be greater than 40. And if you're below rule of 40, stock market doesn't reward you today. In fact, in the recent past, the rule of 40 became rule of 60. So the bar has gone up even more. So the support experience investment you're making improves your net dollar retention. When you have happy customers, likelihood of renewal goes up. Your margins becomes better because you have fewer people to service a lot more customers at scale, and you're not firefighting all the time and wasting your resources on firefighting. Your LTV goes up because the biggest referral for your business is your happy customers. So investing in support experience, you're investing in your acquisition cost, customer acquisition cost, and rule of 40. So this is what we are seeing, and this is why it's not a surprise for us that many companies have started a lot of priorities on improving their support experience, including what many would consider as companies which are laggards in the industry are waking up and realizing this is something they need to invest in.